Hello everyone. Good afternoon, good morning, good evening. I get a matter where I carry on to tell my people. My husband no dey sleep house. My husband no dey maintain me. My husband no care about me. My husband no dey keep money for food. Sister, check yourself. Check yourself. You be that woman wey go wake up early in the morning. Then you go carry phone, begin dey talk for phone for 1 hour. Then you go kitchen eat. You start to watch home video. You don't care whether your children will eat. You don't care whether your husband will eat. Then you go dey there. Your husband go manage, come comot, go work. When he dey come back, he go come still meet you at the same spot where he leave you. You no bath, you no change the nightgown wey you wear, you no clean house. Sister, why husband no go leave you? Why husband no go dey sleep house? Now you dey take your hand, dey scare your husband away. Check yourself, check your character. Abi you belong to this group wey you know say when they wake up early in the morning, they give God thanks, they give God praise for the privilege given to them to see another wonderful day. Then the other step is to go to bathroom. They take their bath, clean up themselves, change their nightgown, put on something good. Then they go to the kitchen. While they are doing that, they are still dressing their children. Then their husband will get dressed too. Then serve their breakfast. Then when after eating, they go to work. When the husband go to work, the children go to school. Then the wife, maybe the wife no dey work. Some women they be full-time housewife. Sorry, they don't work. Then make your home your working place. You be that woman after your husband don't go for work. Then you start to clean up your house. You clean up your bedroom. You put the children's room in order. Then when your husband is coming, he comes and say everywhere they tidy, everywhere is neat. You too, you are looking good. Why your husband, that kind of man, why he go abandon you? He not go feel abandon that kind of woman because the woman know what he did. The woman know what's up. So now those kind of women, now man, they appreciate. They buy expensive gifts. Then the other women will belong to the group of when they wake up, they don't know what to do. They don't know the right thing to do. They not go bath. They not go change their nightgown from morning till night. They go there on that nightgown. Their husband will come back, come see meet them for the same spot where he leave them. Doing nothing. Some go they gossip, watching home video, doing things that will not add to their life. Some go they on social media, watching wetin no go add to his life. Wetin he no go get anything to improve for his life. Then that kind man, how he go take happy with you. Some women not they take care of their children. They not they bath their children. If you see some women, their children will look very unkept. They will be looking very unkept. You don't need expensive clothes to clean up your children. You don't need expensive marker for your children to look good. What you need is just for you to clean up your children. Wetin go cost you when you go bath your pikin, wear and clean clothes? Wetin go cost you? Abeg. And women wey dey say my husband no dey take care of me. My husband is useless man. My husband will come up for 3 days. No, where you want come? Where you come stay for inside that place? When they make everywhere uncomfortable for the man, why you not going to look elsewhere? Because you don't marry. Who tell you say because you don't marry you not go look good? Who tell you say because you don't marry you not go look attractive for your husband? Who tell you say because you don't marry you not go package yourself? Who tell you that? That you are a married woman, that you do nothing good with you cannot make your husband to be proud of you because you are a married woman. Because you are a married woman, you cannot take care of yourself. Who tell you that? You don't even need to do breast mouth enlargement before you can package yourself. You can package yourself when you know how to clean up yourself, you know how to maintain yourself. You'll be that woman who go wake up in the morning. After prayer, then you go bath. Then take care of yourself. If you're not the type who sabi rub makeup, then you rub makeup for your face. If you're the type who not like makeup, rub white powder. Then if na natural hair you carry, rub hair cream and comb your hair. If na the one wey they do weave-on, brush the weave-on, make am look nice. Rub oil and make am look nice. But don't let the weave-on stay your head 2 months, 3 months, 4 months, 6 months. No, abba. You make sure say you take care of yourself. They carry yourself like king, queen. We be queen, we be princess. We are special in the sight of God. That is why when you dey your husband house, you go carry yourself like queen for your husband. Queen not the dirty. Queen they always they walk. Everything where they do, they go they walk up majestically. Even though na 1 euro cloth, na 10 euro cloth, na dey your inside your luggage, inside your cupboard. Wear am, wash am, make it clean. Then wear am. Put that beautiful smile on your face. Use little powder to rub your face. Your face go to shine. Rub perfume if you get. Clean your house, clean your children room. Make everywhere dey neat. You see say if your husband go outside, if they come back with a friend, when they go see the house, see your wife, see children, they'll say, wow, the compliment go to the man. And the man will be happy. Say, I'm taking care of my family. But when you come to do the opposite, say you not send yourself because you don't marry, then you not this, not like that. Me despair. You see, say that those kind of women, you see, say their husband will go they buy car for birthday, for their girlfriend for birthday. You go there inside there. Some women, their husband get money because they don't know how to maintain themselves, they don't know how to package themselves. Or for the next, say, you don't marry, you don't born. Then you will come be, you're being din for there. Who tell you say who don't born, not go package yourself? I bet it's science for the package yourself. Bath, clean, rub cream, rub powder. They clean the house, your environment is even good for you, for your health. Clean your environment, clean your house. I beg my bunge mama. I so much love our mothers. I love women because women, we are too strong. We too much. Nobody feel be like us. We too much. God take time to create us. He take time to create us. He mold us. He spend special time on us. He impart special quality inside of us. Please, women, I beg. May we not let wetin we go fit take our hands solve. Because they destroy our relationship. All this matter now within our relationship, our home go dey sweet. Home no feel sweet when woman don't know the right thing wey they do. Home no feel sweet if woman not dey dirty, if woman not dey neat. Home no feel sweet if you not dey take care of your children. Home no feel sweet if you be that woman wey dey lazy, you not dey clean up, you not dey clean up yourself. Home no feel sweet like that. I beg. All this one wey see they talk. Our papa the men still get their own for body because some men still dey to bath na wahala for them. When they come back from work, the next thing is straight, they will eat straight to bed. Everywhere go they end, nobody go talk that one. You all know. If you go, no matter how you force them, you not go green go bath. You go to say you they disturbing life. Maybe with touch me, make them still change. If you be man, you get up in the morning. First thing, go bath. Change to something good. If you know they go work that day, the house, help your wife to clean up the house, to clean up everywhere in the house, kitchen, toilet, the children's room, put everywhere in order. It's for our own good. You see, say we go they look fine and everything will be okay for everybody. I beg my abunge mama and abunge papa then. I beg the most important thing now we they take care of our children. I beg. Some women know they bath their children. Maybe they take care of our children. If you dey wear one naira clothes, e clean. You see say your husband go dey touch one day. You begin dey buy expensive gifts, expensive wears for you. God bless everyone as you listen. Bye.